Cut the car off.
Turn the car off.
Turn the car off. Step out, or I'm gonna pull you out. You gonna step out easily, or I'm gonna pull you out.
Hey, you
Step out of the car.
I'm not a felon.
Step out of the car. If you don't step out of the car, you'll be tased. Step out of the car. Step out of the car.
I'm getting on the ground. I'm getting on the ground. What's going on?
Get on the ground.
What's going on?
On January 16th, 2025, a window tint stop escalated to a physical arrest on a resisting charge.
How you doing, man? I'm doing all right, man. I stopped you because the tents, man. You got the tents on the front windshield and all the tents on all around. Yeah. Okay. Got the registration for the vehicle? Force have 3 off for 45.
Yeah, copy the 45 New Hampshire OBT.
Sure.
Last unit 9, quarters. Guys, Charlie 44. We're gonna be 51, 245.
That's the Duke boys right there in that car right there?
What car?
That one that just drove by.
I don't think so.
Oh, I know y'all got a substation over there. I know that had to be the Duke boys.
Huh?
I said, I know y'all got a substation right there. I know that. The same shit they drive, that had to be the Duke boys right there.
Yeah, I don't think so. All right. Hanging up for me, man. Those are not regular scissors. All right, man, put your hand on the steering wheel for me. All right, I'm pulling you out of the car, all right?
Before you put me out of the car, I need my lawyer present before you tell me anything.
All right, cut the car off for me. Cut the car off.
Before you tell me anything, I need my lawyer
Cut the car off for
present.
me. Cut the car off.
Turn the car off.
Turn the car off.
Excuse me. Why you
Let go of the steering. Let go of the steering wheel.
Tell me those things. Come on,
Let
sir.
go of the steering wheel. Dude, cooperate with me. Let go of the steering
Why are
wheel.
you doing this?
Let's go. Step out.
Come on,
Come
why
on,
you
step
doing
out. Step out, or I'm gonna pull you out. You gonna step out easily, or I'm gonna pull you out?
What's
Grab one.
happening? Why
one
am
in.
I getting out the
Step
car?
out.
Can you
Step
tell me
out.
why I'm getting out the car?
Step out.
Okay, record.
Step out.
Record.
Step
Why
out
you-
of the
Can you tell
Step
me
out of the car.
I'm not a felon.
Step out of the car. If you don't step out of the car, you'll be tased. Step out of the car. Step out of the car. Step out of the car. Turn around.
No. Why are you using aggressive? Why? On the ground. Okay, I'm getting on the ground. What's going on?
Get on the ground.
What's going on? No. Why are you doing this? I need, hey, call, get my phone, call mom. Try to get my lawyer on the phone right now.
Signal 44 for 473 to Hampton OBT.
Why y'all doing this?
Get up.
Y'all gotta help me out. What you mean? What's going on? Can you tell me why?
Walk over this way. Walk over this way. Spread your legs.
Come on, what is going on? Why are y'all taking everybody out the car?
Step out.
Why are y'all taking everybody out the car? No. What's
Because the car smells like marijuana. That's why you come out of the car. Yes, sir.
What? No. Oh my God. I don't have nothing on me. You don't have no marijuana. You don't have no marijuana.
If you just cooperated, you would not be doing this right now.
Oh my
How you just did to step out when I asked you to step out.
You got somebody on the phone? Can we talk to the sergeant? Can you call your officer and your head top sergeant? Can you call your top sergeant? Can you call your top sergeant? See, now you don't want to cooperate with me, but I'm cooperating with you. Can you call your top sergeant?
Walk over this way.
I need to take my money real quick before you take me away from my money.
In the
Come
car.
on, what are you guys doing? What are you... I didn't have no consent for you to search my car.
Get in the
I
car.
didn't have no consent for
Get
you
in
to
the
search
car.
my car.
Can you guys tell us what's going on?
No problem. I just want to make sure I'm not going to jail or nothing like that, because I know I didn't do nothing. Okay, but I just want to make sure you got.
Right now, you're detained. We don't have any of that.
Ain't gonna lie, I do got weed on me though, but I can't. It's not possible to go to jail for that either, because I'm not driving it.
Everybody who's not 97 can slow down. I
I
got
got
everyone
my
detained.
for you. You need that bit, but before y'all do run that, I would like to know what I did to get my shit ran.
Look,
Talk to me about
obviously
some good,
the car smells like weed.
Yes, sir.
All right?
Yes, sir.
All of this stuff that she's doing, he's doing. Y'all think y'all know our jobs better than us? Just here.
Oh.
I'm gonna tell y'all right now. All of that stuff y'all just did.
Hold on.
We got 3 secure over here.
I just want to make sure because I say before I talk for them, they getting out of hand with thinking how they do. They probably did too much.
Clearly.
So I
Now,
look, damn, you feel me? Pretty good. Come to Duke boys and everybody else. That's not a good look. As long as I don't go to jail, my rights not violated. That's good. And I don't need to go. And before I ask, I don't need to go in the back of the police car, right? Correct, sir?
headquarters, if you haven't canceled the 44, you can go ahead and do
I don't
so.
need to go behind the police car yet, right? Just came out the mall with that. That's the weed right there.
Yeah.
Good.
Alright, hang out right there.
34 tiny.
Yeah, just put your back right here.
For both.
I don't understand what's
I mean, I ain't gonna lie, that I would say
slow.
before anything.
Other one slow.
It's like a 41 for more.
You slow, bro.
You're gonna spend 455.
You think you know the job better than we do? Just listen to us. You don't. No, you. I saw you.
Maya's nothing else to say, Maya. You don't know the job like this. That's Maya. Come on. Come on, Maya. There's no more trouble we need to get into. Hey, that's my phone too, boss man. I can't tell him to do that, boss. He gonna touch that. He snuck the weed in that. He gotta touch that. Nothing else he can do. Your boy did lie to me though. I asked his half that was the Duke boys and the Chevy. He said it was and it was. That.
You was probably the most cool-headed one out of all of them.
Man, boss, I feel you. I just want to know what was going on. Like, I feel like before we get too deep,
You gotta understand, son. Hey, we don't have to tell y'all anything.
Hey, that's what I'm
As soon as
saying.
we get you out the car, then we'll tell y'all everything. We don't gotta tell you that when you in the car. I don't know how you gonna react when I tell you what I'm trying to do.
I agree 1,000,000%. That's why I say if people don't know what's going on, they would think they're getting their rights violated because Buddy did pull us over.
Hey, take me to court.
As long as I don't go to
I'm
jail,
not talking
we
about
good.
you. I'm talking
Okay.
about them. Take me to court.
I'll tell them.
We'll hash it out in court.
No problem. Hey, boss man, just a quick question. So say if he got pulled over and I wasn't driving, do I still have to get my ID ran?
Depends on the circumstance.
Okay. Does that need to be ran, by the way?
Yes, it does. If you're in the car and the car smells like weed, everybody in the car getting ran.
There are no signal zeros in that though, so just the weed.
What the heck is a zero?
Y'all know what that is. Like crazy. I just don't want to go to jail for my rights being violated. He was pulled over for tint. It got like this because he did a little bit of extra. I just don't want my rights being violated. My ID is about to be ran. I'm not getting too pissed off, but how it's going, if I got to take a weed chart, that's fine. But how it's going right now, y'all looking for something that y'all not going to find. And my ID is going to get ran. Y'all got the big guy right here. That's why I just asked him. Will I go to jail for something that is nothing going? Ain't no extra weed in this, not trafficking, nothing. I'm a hardworking man. Ain't no zeros in that like he asked us the first time. That's why he was about to pull out his taser. You remember? He was about to get tased. That's why you called him stupid. Because he did some dumb shit. He didn't have to overreact. Remember? So there's no signal zeros in there. My point. So as long as there's no zeros.
What's a zero?
You know what a zero is. I watched the dash cam and what y'all do. You know what a zero is. Don't play with me, please. Not today. Because I don't want to go to jail. I'm good, but I'm getting a little frustrated. I'm not one of them dumbass though. I ain't gonna lie to you. Ain't no zeros in that man work hard for his wheels. 5% tint, y'all wanna go crazy and call the D-Tech? That's you ain't even need to call the D-Tech. Ain't no extra weed in that. You got what you needed.
What's a D-Tech? You got zeros, D-Tech, 10-4, good buddy.
Y'all put it on the dash cam and run the footage back and see what it is. Y'all run the footage back and see what that means. You know what a zero is. I don't even know why you playing like that. You know what a zero is, boss. I know your code before you know mine. It's just irate though. He got pulled for 5% tint. There's no zero in that. Promise you. There's no zero in there. Promise you. I'm gonna slap the shit out of my boy too. I'm gonna tell you that you can't react that way. But I ain't gonna lie. Ain't no zero in that bitch. They good to turn them blue lights out. They just blew their cover for the day. Then when I asked him the first time about this, you lied to me and said it wasn't, and it was. Look at how much response you have now. Come on, man.
Cause y'all don't know. They don't know how to
Hey,
act.
remember, talk to me now, cause I ain't disrespecting you, but nah, I
I'm
wasn't
talking about
done
they don't know how to act.
Yeah, I told it.
That's
I wish
exactly
they
what
could have. I
happened.
wish it could have been different for sure. Look, Alvarez don't even want to stay around no more. Go work, Alvarez. Don't go. Please, brother, my tax dollars involved. There's no zero in his wheels. So you sit on the job. That's why I was cordial. That's why I'm not trying to be irate. If I could walk home and you take the weed, I'll do that. But I mean, if I gotta go to jail, I can't be mad. But damn, bro, I am not trying to go to jail for that.
See no 50?
Take it for the weed.
Turn around. Which handcuff is too tight?
Both of them. Cause this thing is too tight. I need. Am I going to jail?
Lean forward.
Am I being detained, sir?
Yeah, you still detained.
Why am I being detained?
I explained it to you.
Huh? You didn't explain it to me?
Yes, I did. I explained it to you. I said because the car smelled like marijuana, I was going to pull out the car and start tensing up.
No, because I'm trying to see why you want to pull me out the car. You didn't say it smelled like marijuana.
Yeah.
None of that is mine.
to drive your car?
For what?
Cider
What am I going to jail for?
for resisting.
Oh, man. She could drive it. She could drive it. Hey, get my money. Give my everything to her. My
money
money and
on
everything. Everything. Yep.
Okay.
Y'all wait right there.
Let's examine the constitutional framework. This analysis examines the constitutional and statutory framework governing the officer's authority, the subject's resistance, and the legal consequences that followed. The initial stop was legally valid. Florida Statute Section 316.2951 requires front windshields to permit greater than 70% light transmittance. A completely opaque windshield satisfies the reasonable, articulable suspicion standard established in Terry v. Ohio. No Fourth Amendment deficiency exists at this stage. The exit order is governed by Pennsylvania v. Mimms, a 1977 Supreme Court decision holding that officers may order a driver from a lawfully stopped vehicle without providing a reason. That authority extends to all vehicle occupants under Maryland v. Wilson. Neither probable cause nor individualized suspicion of danger is required. The exit order was entirely lawful. The driver's invocation of counsel had no legal effect here. Miranda protections attached to custodial interrogation. Under Berkemer v. McCarty, a routine traffic stop does not constitute Miranda custody. The officer was not interrogating the driver. He was issuing a Mimms authorized exit command. The Sixth Amendment right to counsel does not attach until formal adversarial proceedings commence, as established in McNeil v. Wisconsin. The driver gripped the steering wheel and refused multiple exit commands, constituting passive resistance. Under Graham v. Connor, force is assessed by three factors: the severity of the suspected offense, the immediacy of the threat, and whether the subject is actively resisting. The driver was not an immediate threat, but was actively obstructing a lawful exit. Physical extraction falls within proportionate response to passive resistance under the Graham framework. Once outside the vehicle, officers disclosed the marijuana odor. Under the automobile exception established in United States v. Ross, olfactory detection of a controlled substance constitutes probable cause. A warrantless vehicle search is authorized. Consent is not required. The driver then volunteered marijuana possession, without any officer questioning. Under Bergwis v. Tompkins, spontaneous voluntary statements made outside custodial interrogation carry no Fifth Amendment protection. The admission was legally admissible. Florida Statute Section 843.02 defines resisting without violence as willfully obstructing an officer in the lawful execution of a legal duty without offering violence. The exit order was lawful under Mimms. The refusal was willful. Physically anchoring to the steering wheel satisfies the actus reus. The charge is legally supported. The driver was charged with resisting an officer without violence. Marijuana possession charges are anticipated. Case status is pending at the time of this analysis. The primary officer receives a B+. The stop, exit order, escalation, and use of force each satisfy applicable legal standards. One tactical deficiency. The officer did not disclose the marijuana basis. When directly asked for a reason, a disclosure not legally required under Mimms, but one that would have been de-escalatory. The driver receives a C-. Refusing a Mimms exit order is not a constitutionally protected response. The remedy for perceived unlawful conduct is judicial challenge, not physical resistance. The passenger identified as Maya receives a C+. No physical resistance was observed. Verbal criticism of officers is fully protected under the First Amendment, per City of Houston v. Hill. Three legal principles from this encounter. First, under Mimms, exit orders require no explanation. Physical resistance to a lawful command is not a protected constitutional response. Second, Miranda does not govern traffic stop compliance. The right to counsel attaches at custodial interrogation, not at a Mimms exit command. Third, voluntary statements made without interrogation carry no Fifth Amendment protection. Silence remains an option at all times. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to check out our second channel, Audit the Court, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.